most awkward soundtrack party. Private, intimate soundtrack party of the Backstreet Boys. This is definitely going to be a little bit different. As you guys can see, they're still putting the stage up and putting all the final touches. So we're going to try to do a little something out of the box. We're making this soundtrack a little more personal, a little more intimate. This way, what we're going to do is, unlike most normal soundtracks, we do a couple of songs with microphones, not microphones. We'll maybe do a little something on your color for you guys. Yeah. A little bit more of like a question and answer soundtrack party for you guys. So normally, in the past, we used to give that person, each of us one question, 4 questions. So now we're going to open up to maybe 4 questions for each of us. So yeah. So, and then there's hugs and kisses. Photographs without a barrier. It is a barrier. We can find one. Yeah.
It's like a prom picture.
Put your hands together for Justin. So Justin's gonna pick on us, like he always does. He always picks on us.
This one's name's Nick Carter. It's like a zoo, you know. So, guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do some Q&A, right? You guys gonna get to know the boys, a little nitty gritty. You guys ask them whatever you want, but please don't ask for hugs or kisses. Let's get to know them, all right? So let's start with.
Hey, why don't we pick ourselves?
Start with Nick.
What do you want? What's up?
Yeah, so my name's Laura from Washington, D.C. My girl's flown from the States. So my question is, you hear of these celebrities who have these crazy riders with these like elaborate requests, like they only want brown M&Ms. So I was wondering what might we find on your riders, and what are some of your more atypical requests?
I think this question could be each one of us can answer. So, because each guy likes something specific. I see things in the refrigerator like, what the hell is that doing in here? And I think that's probably one. I'd like to know why. What's the who asked for the tuna sandwiches? I actually requested the cake. You requested the cake.
I love tuna sandwiches.
And it's good, isn't it?
Awesome.
Everybody loves peanut butter and jelly. Yeah,
Comfort of home.
Day one.
Wheatgrass over here.
I tried for strawberry. I tried vegetables and wheatgrass, but that kind of like is diminished a little bit. It's a little, a little sideboard. But you know, it depends. I mean, back in the day, Howie used to ask for chicken wings, and he got them.
No, he didn't get it for like 3 years. And then finally he got it. It took a while.
It's all chicken. Yeah, I don't really ask for much. I don't care much about what's in the restaurant. But
we have hot tea. Tell about the hot tea.
Oh, well, that's the which one, the tea or the which one, the
other one, the nice smelling.
Oh,
that's the apple cider.
Oh, that, yeah.
We have
made.
Yeah.
Tell me what's made of.
We request hot teas and stuff for our throats, which is good. We have like throat coat tea, and we have English Earl Grey stuff, breakfast teas and stuff like that. We do natural honey, because when you do like artificial sugars and bleached sugars, it's not really good for you. What? So what we also have is a special concoction drink that consists of hot apple cider, which means you boil that in a tea kettle, and then you pour a cup of that in there. You take a teaspoon of vinegar, take a teaspoon of olive oil, and you take, sprinkle in cayenne pepper, and you stir it all up, and then you put some honey, natural honey in there, and it's a nice little colon cleanse.
And then you poop a lot.
Does it taste good?
It actually tastes really good. It smells horrible.
Yeah.
But we've turned the new kids onto it. They're like, "Ooh, what is that?" And then they try it.
Yeah.
And then you fall in love with it, and it also opens up your sinuses. It does
smell like feet.
peppers and all that. It really smells like dirty socks.
It's so bad.
Okay. Thank you.
And they're like, "Dude,
all right, let's see.